Another week, another video. Welcome back here on my channel. Welcome in my diecast room here in Bavaria in Germany. As you can see, we got a lot of Hot Wheels to take a look at today. So for quite a time I didn't show any Hot Wheels, and that is because it's always the same here in my area. The stores are dry for weeks and then suddenly 2 or 3 cases drop at the same time, and that is what happened now. So before we start, you can find a list of all of these cars in the description down below. And I would say we go quickly through these cars as quickly as possible. And I would say let's start with this Porsche here and bring the camera down a little bit. We got the Porsche 911 GT3 in black, a really nice black color, but unfortunately you can see the windshield has some bad scratches on it. That is not so cool. Anyways, it's a really cool casting. Look at the details on the back. Nice number plate, 911 GT3. I love this matte black. The lensed headlights that are part of the inner plastic piece and the Porsche logo. Really cool, except yeah, these scratched tinted windows. So this is a new casting for this year. The first version was this guy here in blue, also really cool with the black rims. Let's put this to the side as we go on with this one here, 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. We've seen this one several times before. This one here, for example. So here we got the regular treasure hunt. Let's crack it open. Here you can see. So it does look very cool with these golden 10 spokes. This is really nice Hot Wheels rally deco. Does it say Rio here on the side? No tempos on the back, but we got some deco on the front. Tinted windows, very nice. We won't stop. We go on with the Aston Martin Vantage GTE in this really cool color. I think this is also a new casting. Let's take a look. Yes, it is. Yeah, looking very good in this, what is this, lime, focus, lime green. This red accents here on the hood. Huge wing. No details on the back. Yeah, it looks very plain here on the back. Nice black 10 spokes. And here it is. Let's go on with this guy here. One of my favorite Hot Wheels castings, the 94 Audi Avant RS2. So this is the third version. The first version was in blue. Unfortunately, I didn't get the blue one because this case didn't arrive here in my area. The second one was this year in silver, also very, very cool. Really nice casting. So let's open up the black one. This is also the super, I don't know, I think in the N case, but I'm not 100% sure. Deco on the front. And on the back, looking very crisp, very nice. Let's go on with another Audi. This one here, the 84 Sport Quattro, now in blue. Also very cool casting, white 10 spokes. And this one has a lot of deco on it, as you can see here on the side. on the front. Really, really nice. We've seen this one this year also in a yellow. Does look also very good. I also have the white version. Very nice casting. Let's go on with another Audi. This one here. Audi RS e-tron GT, now in red. Electric car, nice details on the front. Got a matte black here on the front, license plate saying e-tron GT, nice headlights, and crisp deco on the back. New casting for this year, first version, this guy here, in, yeah, what is it? Metallic gray, silver. Let's go on with the Honda Civic Custom, now in red. This is also a new casting for this year. Very nice. White bumper. And we got the bigger wheel in the front, small wheel in the back. And look at those details here on the windshield. You can see the rivets here on the window. This one looks very cool. This is the second version of this casting. This was the first version in blue with the yellow wheels. Also very nice with the tinted windows and the black interior. So let's go on with the Lotus Evija. Not 100% sure how you pronounce that. I think this is an electric car from Lotus. It's got a really nice green livery, British racing green. Comes with a yellow interior. I do really like the rims on this one. Yeah, also very cool electric sports car. Then we got this guy here, Volvo 250 Drift Wagon in red with the yellow tinted windows. Looking very cool. Deco on the back, Hot Wheels Drift, and look at this chrome interior. And we got, and these are details that I really like, two dogs looking out over the tailgate, really nice. Got some engine details, chrome grille, very nice casting, very cool. And look here on the details on the side, it's hard to see. But if you take a close look, it also says Drift Wagon and 250, and the Hot Wheels logo is on there. Hope you can see it. Really nice. A lot of details. Let's go with this one here, McLaren Elva. I think this is also a new casting this year. The first one was in black, now in blue, a really nice blue. No tempos on the back. White stripes over the hood. Number 12 on the side. Gray 10 spokes. Nice. Then we got this one here, Matt and Debbie Hayes, 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. To be honest, I don't know anything about this car or the history of this car, but I thought it looked very cool. Look at this, yeah, it's kind of a pearl pink livery, looking very good. The whole back in chrome. Got lensed headlights, part of the window piece, chrome interior. So also very cool model. Then we got this one here. I think this is the only unlicensed model in my haul, the Dimachinni Veloce. Yeah, I would say this guy mimics, yeah, I would say Italian sports cars of the 70s. Really, really cool. We've seen this one before in blue. So I don't buy too many unlicensed models from Hot Wheels, but this one is really cool. It's got a lot of deco on it. Castrol Firestone, number 34 here on the side. Very nice. Model even if it doesn't have a license. So now, 2020 Toyota GR Supra from then and now. We've seen the older version before, was also a really cool model. Now, so this is the other one was the then part. Now we got the now part. Yeah, nice headlight details. We got also deco on the side, black 10 spokes, nothing on the back. Also a beauty. Parking lot is filling up, and we go on with this one here. This is a recolor Automobili Pininfarina Battista, now in blue. So nice casting. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of these wheels. A little bit too much in my opinion. I'm not really sure if the license plate does say anything. If it does, I can't read it, but as you can see, we got some taillights and we got some details on the front. So now in blue, and this is the first version for this year, a new casting. As you can see, right here, 2021, first version in yellow. Oh, sorry. Now, let's go on with the 1990 Acura NSX. Now in yellow, I think this isn't new. Yeah, it's an older casting, 2014. We've seen this one this year also in blue. Rio license plate, black 10 spokes, looking good. And yeah, this is, I think this is one of the Hot Wheels cars. Many of you waited for the Pagani Zonda R. A really cool car. I also got the premium version from Tarmac somewhere. But I mean, it's hard to compare them. This is a €1 car. By the way, I bought these at, or most of these cars at a store called Tedi here in Germany. And there you can get those Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars for €1 still. And I think that's a very good price. In many other stores they do cost €1.50 or maybe more. So now, back to the car. Focus, no details on the back. Zonda R on the side, golden 10 spokes. I love the golden stripe on the side. And also deco across the car. So I'm not sure, I think it doesn't have an interior. But I wouldn't wonder because it has a lot of details. Also look right here on the wing, it says Pagani. And this matte black, really nice. A really nice Hot Wheels car. Oops, another recolor. Range Rover Classic. I think the other version was in blue or turquoise, I'm not sure. Yeah, nice deco on the back. Range Rover mud studs. Nothing to get too excited about, but it's good casting in my opinion. Let's bring the camera back a little. Do we have here? Oh, another one from the Den and Now series. So now this time it's the other way around. So this is the old version Corvette C6.R in a really nice blue racing livery. Looking very good, even if it has no tempos on the back. Looks very good. This is the then part, and we've also seen the now part before. Corvette C8R. So also really a nice pair. Really cool. So still not finished. So I should guess 10 cars to go. Another new casting for this year, the 95 Jeep Cherokee. We've seen it in green, now in red. With a spare tire on the back and some jerry cans. Huge wheels. And it's also got a winch here on the front. So, and this you can't remove the top part. It's a part of this inner or of the window piece. You know, on some cars you can remove it. And as you can see, some nice details. There's a shovel and well, not able to figure out what the rest is. Anyways, then we got this one here, 74 Escort RS 1600. White rims, and it comes with a lot of deco, racing deco, really nice. Tempos on the back. Into the parking lot. And what else do we have? Another new casting, Lucid Air. First version in silver, now in white. An electric car. And a really nice white livery. Once again, these rims that I'm not a big fan of. So a very clean car, not too much deco. Yeah. Another new casting. The 1985 Toyota van. First version. Right here in red. Now in gray with some blue details. Here it is. Lens headlights, deco stripe on the side, some details on the back. Then the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2 in white. Hot Wheels deco in white. You've seen this one also in a similar deco before in blue. So this is the white version and this is the blue version. I would say the white one does look better. Another Lotus. The Lotus Emira. I'm not 100% sure. I think this is the last Lotus with a combustion engine. In blue, saying Lotus on the back. And we have some headlights and a Lotus badge on the front. Nice. Then we have this guy here, the 32 Ford. So to be honest, I'm not too much into hot rods, but it's a Golf livery, so I had to have it. And this one is also the Supra in N or P case. I'm not 100% sure. Didn't find any Supra this year, and I'm pretty sure I won't find one. Anyways, here it is. Mismatched wheels in the size. Orange base. So it's getting pretty full here on the parking lot, as you can see. Only 2 cars left. So 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss in Borla deco. Now in white. With the molded in Chevrolet here on the tailgate. I think this is a very cool casting, cool car. So we've seen this one here in black and now in white. Had to have that version. So now there's only one car left, and there is this guy here, 95 Mazda RX-7, once again in Falcon livery, but now in silver and blue, looking very, very good. This is one of my favorites this year, definitely, even if it's not a new casting, but look at all this deco. It's black 10 spokes. What a cool version, and we've seen this one this year also in, let's say, call it the original Falcon livery in green and blue. Also looking very good, but I'm not really sure. Two very cool versions. Very, very nice. And with this cool car, we finish this video. Let's bring the camera up. Let's take a look at all of these cars. I say thanks for watching. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, till next time, happy hunting. Bye.